All right. Introduce yourself.
I am Alicia, and I'm an entrepreneur.
Come closer.
I'm 19 years old. Woo, shit.
Alicia, they want to pop the balloon. Long time, Alicia.
That's it.
Yes.
Entrepreneur?
They want to pop, Alicia, they want to pop the balloon. Long time. Young brain with a young vice.
That's all right. So how much did I
The
rate her?
Pinocchio vice.
How much did I rate her?
I give her 60, there's 8, solid 6.
6 out of 10.
Yo, bro, look on fireball. Look on fire. Look on Rasta with the balloon and search for theme nigga.
That's not bad.
Oh.
If you never
Dog
pop the
sweat
balloon.
like a dog I say, oh man. I forget the young one, yeah.
I think.
You're alright.
All right. All right.
Nibarain.